So we will, if we are taking about the HTML, so it is like an web technology. It's like a web technology driven by W3. I mean World Web Organization. So to create a general file in the HTML is like this. I was about to explain here something. So HTML stands for like a hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. So this is used to render the views on the browser. Views on the browser is a scripting language. So HTML language, and also like yeah, it will run on browser. It will run on browser, and also like it will run on browser. And once and when they started the HTML and all, so if here, yeah, actually coming for the HTML. So once and when they started with the HTML, it is used to you know make the views, different views, to display some user to display some user interface to interact with the customers. Okay, the HTML has been using. So here we are having like with .html files is the extension of the HTML. So this HTML means hypertext markup language. So every HTML will have every HTML will have it will start with the doc type. Okay, so this doc type HTML. So this doc type is nothing but which will mention the document we are going to write is a HTML document. Okay, so this will be our first tag in the HTML, which is like doc type. Okay, so this doc type not only used as an specifying, I mean the file is a HTML. It will also mention like whether, I mean it will also mention like we are going to. So it will also mention like to compile the whatever the HTML tags we are going to write here. So this doc type earlier it was there in the different format from HTML5 onwards. On the updated browsers, it is looking like $doc type space HTML. So this will mention like we are going to have the file as a HTML file. The content in the file is known as a HTML tags. Okay, that is specified by this doc type HTML. And the next tag is like we should go for the root tag, that is known as HTML tag. So in this HTML tag only we can able to do whatever header and footer and also body. Okay, everything we are going to do is in this HTML tag only. Okay, so this HTML tag will contain two major parts. One is known as head and other one is known as body. Okay, so if you want to declare or call some scripts and all, you are call some scripts and also if you want to do some styles, if you want to add some styles adding, and also if you want to give some information about the page, about page. Okay, and also like if you want to create title, and also if you want to link the HTML to other sources. Okay, in all these cases we are going to use this HTML head tag. Okay, this header tag we are going to use in the, in all these scenarios, adding the styles and also adding some information about the page and adding some title and also adding, linking to the other resources. In all those cases, we are going to use the head tag. For example, I am taking here some title and I am giving some welcome to HTML. Are you following me?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay. So this title is used to mention the title of your page. It is used to mention the title of your page. Suppose, yeah, this whatever the browser, when once it is rendering on the browser, the top place we will see this head, actually this title of the browser of the page. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So next is like we will see about HTML tags like H1. Okay. So we have different HTML tags like H1, H2, H3, H4, and H6. So these are the tags which are used to, which are used to render the header, which are used to render the header. Okay. H1 is the,
We can use only 6 headers, right? Maximum.
yeah, only 6 are there. No, H7 is not there.
Yeah, yeah.
H1 to H6 is there. So here we have like H1, H2, H3, and also H4, and also like H4, and also like, and also H5, H5, and also last one is H6. Okay. So these are the different headers we are having in the HTML. H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest one. Okay. So now,
Priority wise, we have to go, right?
no, it is not based on, you can suppose if you have a requirement to show a big title, okay, then you have to go for the H1. If you have the requirement to show a medium title, you can go for H3 or H6, H4. If you want to go little,
Like size wise.
yeah, like the size wise, it will, yeah, as per your requirement, you have to bring it. I mean, you have to render as per the, the requirement. Suppose see here, I have all the headers with me. Okay, welcome, small, very small. Okay, so as per the requirement you have, suppose you have the requirement to show a big title, then you have to go for H1. Okay, if you have the requirement to show medium, you can go like this. If you want to showcase to the very small, you can go for small title. Okay, that's how you want to choose. You have you got it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, nice. Okay. So next we will see about one more tag known as para tag. So this para tag is used to display some data on the web page. Okay, it's just like a para, normal para. Okay, so here we are going to. So let me take some examples here. Here is the let's country. So this is my para. Okay.
Okay.
So once you go and refresh it, you can able to find out, and yes, whatever the para I have created, that will be there. You have to go to this, revealing file.
How do you display that in that another screen?
Another screen.
Yeah. So you wrote
Yeah, I have just refreshed. That's it. I have refreshed this page.
Yeah, this one I didn't get. You wrote paragraph in another. It's a VS Code, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you saved it or what? You run it.
No, no. This is a para, na?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I'm closing. Okay.
Okay. Huh.
Now I am going to the Finder. Finder means you have to go to your folder, and I am going to open with Google Chrome. It will open the updated code. You are getting it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this is how actually we have to do some para and also H1 to H6 and also like just creating a para. You can also create para and multiple paras in a page. Na? You can also create some multiple paras in a page. Like, let us now, how do you run it? You have to go to the Finder, right?
Yeah,
There you have to open with the Chrome.
and you can open it in a local host also, right?
No, that is with React.js.
Acha, acha, acha. Okay, okay.
We didn't go to React.js. We are in HTML.
Okay, okay, okay. I remember that, so that's why, yeah. Okay.
You are asking for HTML from HTML, no?
Yes, 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 yes.
Or you want only React.js?
No, no, no. I want HTML, CSS, React, and JavaScript.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Start from basics, yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. No problem.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
So this is how we have to render the. This is a general HTML. HTML code will run from the
Okay, okay. I was confused. That's it. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So this is how you want to give a para tag. Like this, we are having one more tag that is known as a division tag. Okay, this is called div tag. This is also, it will also look like the para. So, for example, here I am giving some Japan has strong economy.
So div is also like a para tag, right?
Div is like a para tag, but most of the times we prefer to go for the div instead of the para. So,
What is the difference between para and div?
view wise, there will be difference. Means, if you see now, the how it is handling, that is different. You see, the both look like same. But
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But in para you can't see those, right?
see, 1 second. Actually, one div will have different paras. Okay,
Hmm.
it is just like a grammar.
Hmm.
So, suppose if you just like if you have a HTML, in this HTML, I have these headers. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
I can enter whatever this is there in this header also, right?
Hmm.
I can able to display the same, but that is not the case. Actually, you should understand like there is always like a topmost, sections will be there. Every HTML page is a separate sections. Okay,
Hmm.
means every HTML is a divisions. Okay, each division will have its own elements.
Okay.
For example, if you take a paper and write something, how do you write? You write a title first, right?
Yes.
Then what you'll start? You'll start a para.
Hmm.
Though you are starting a para, you will start in a one division.
Yeah.
Okay, in division means you are going to make it as a separate division and you are going to start something. So maybe if you write some side heading, you can take that as a div, and you can go ahead with the para writing in it. Okay. So however you are writing something, there is no difference between both div and para. There is
Okay.
difference between the how to use between them. Suppose every div will have different paras. Okay,
Hmm.
division is like the name itself mentions it will have some content with it, so it can have different paras within it. Okay, that's the difference. There is no physical difference here.
Okay.
Okay, so next is like okay, cool. So every division, as I told, we will have a paras, na?
Hmm.
So let us think. Here I have a para here, and let me take here some kind of you know, some information. Tokyo. Okay, so now if you see here, I can able to find out like Tokyo is the capital for Japan. Okay,
Hmm.
so this is like an active which is having a para within it. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, it's a para within it. So likewise, I can start with some different paras also. So for example, I am going to start here one more. Japan. I am mentioning one more para. It is like Osaka is the largest city in the Japan. Okay.
Okay.
So now if you see, a division is having a multiple
Fair.
para. Okay, so how to make this text like more clear means we are having some tags known as a bold tag. So
Hmm.
for example, I am going to put the Tokyo in the bold, right, where I
Hmm.
am able to mention the Tokyo in the bold, and where you can find out that Tokyo is the capital for Japan.
Yeah. Hmm.
So likewise, I'm going to make something to italic, right? So for that, you have to go for I tag. That is known as I tag. So I tag is used to display in the italic format. Okay, and also
Okay.
we have like one more that is like here. We have emphasize. Okay, okay, fine. Likewise, you can change either in the bold or you can also go for small. If you want to display some text in small, you can display the small tag. Okay.
Hmm.
So likewise, you can make different tags here. One is like bold and italic and small. Okay, they are the one of some of the tags. Suppose if you want to take one more sentence here. So for example, I am taking one more sentence here. So which is having some para with meaning, and it is telling like okay, Sakura. So this is my para, but if you see here, it will come, you know, next to it here, like Sakura is the is cauliflower. Okay, it will come to the next line. It's in a para. Okay, so since you started as a para, it is coming to the next line. Okay, suppose if you are giving this one without writing any para, then it will display side by side.
Okay.
Okay, it will display side by side.
Okay.
So to avoid this side by side display, we are going to go for break tag BR. Okay, this will separate altogether the previous sentence to the next sentence. So it will bring down.
Okay. We don't need to write again and again para tag. We don't need to put para tag for
If
everything.
you want to bring down, you can bring down like this.
Okay.
You break it and you can bring.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so and also if you want to divide the both lines, right, then you can go for tag known as HR tag. HR means horizontal line. So that will give you a line, a separator between these two things.
So you have to put break and horizontal, right? Both.
That depends upon the requirement, na? Suppose.
Yeah, that's what. If I want to make two lines, so I have to apply break tag and horizontal tag.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And and also like we have like emphasized text, that is M. Welcome to. Suppose I have like this. This is some way of emphasize the text we call. Okay, welcome to HTML. If you want to break this also, you can break it. And also we have like display some para and division and small break italic HR emphasized H1 to H6. So I will tell one more thing here, that is known as sources. Sorry, styles. Okay, styles. So here I have a style. Okay, I have a style here. So I want to apply some style for my, styles. Anyhow, deeply I will tell in the CSS. But just for information, you should just for your understanding. Let me give here for this H1. I am going to give some, style. Okay, I am going to give here some kind of blue, light blue or something, light blue or something. And we see here the H1 will be changing to the light blue color. Okay. Likewise, based on the element, you can do the style. For about H6, I am giving some color red. You can also mention H6 the color as red, and you can see here the output. So, and also if you are applying, for para, for example, if you are applying for the para styles, right? So it will go and apply entirely. Okay. So means, for example, I am giving some color. Color as some yellow or something. So wherever this para is having the text, all that will go for the yellow color. Okay. So yeah, yeah, you are understanding, right? Based on the element, we are applying the style. Okay. Suppose here for H1 is only one tag. That's why only one place it was applied.
Yes.
H6 is also one tag. That's why only one place it is applied. But para is in multiple places. That's why para has been applied in the multiple places. Okay. So this is called styling. Actually, styling, how to style a web page. How to style a web page. Okay. And also here, okay, we can find one more thing is like a background color or background color. I'm giving some wheat or something. So if you see now, background color has been came, and I will change here to some other color. Let me take here some other color. Take here some blue so that find it more clearly. Okay. This is how you want to apply a background color for a division or para. Okay. So we didn't see about division, right? Division way of styling.
Yeah.
For div also we same way. Okay. For div also same way, where we can able to give the background color, and I am giving some blue something, and also like color I am mentioning some green or something. Okay. You see now my division. These are the divisions. Japan. This is all para. We're in one division. That's why the background has been this color, and Japan is and belong to the green color. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Always the child, whatever it is having, that is preferred. That's why though the div is having the paras, their text is has not become the green.
Yes.
Why? Because the para will be having a separate styling. Suppose if you want to do some separate styling, it has. That's why if you are deleting this, then it will be different case. All will go for the same level. Okay. If you are not giving this, then it will have its specificity. It is specific to whatever style you are giving. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts in this?
No. Clear.
Okay. So, and also we will see about address tag. We can see about address tag. For example, this is like suppose number 12. So I am giving some Mount Road, Chennai. So Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So if you are giving like this, right, it will display in an emphasized manner. This is the way it will display. Now I will remove the background color as this. I will go for the light color. More clear. Okay. So this will display like this.
Mhm.
You want to come out also, you can come out and display. Come out and especially you can display the address. Okay. And mention this as some address and likewise, and then you can give like this.
Okay.
You want to break it, you can break it. BR, and you can give. Okay. So,
If you want to put line, we can add HR, right?
yeah, if you want to put a line, you have to. If you want to separate it, you have to go for the HR.
Yeah.
Suppose if you want to divide the div and this, you are go for the HR. Give a user separate.
Let's say if I want to give a line under the address, so I have to put HR beside the BR, right? I have to add tag, another tag to that.
Add the another tag to. Yeah, yes, yes, I'm listening. Add the another tag to. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, your voice is very low.
Actually, it's my system problem. Let's say if I want to add the line under the address, so I have to add one more tag near BR, right?
Yeah, yeah. You have to. We can
Yeah.
some some para. You can do some. Um, since it is taking the para style, it is taking. So let me use another one. It is one as span.
What is this span?
Yeah, first I will show you this one. Then I will tell.
Okay.
So address, now it is having some candidate address and it is having some address, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now this span is like is a one of the tag which align you the uh, text side by side. So for example, if you go para side by side, okay. Now what it has happened? One para is there, one more para is there, but they are starting from a separate line, right?
Hmm.
Okay, so if it is like a span, it will be in the same line. For example, I have given some kind of span, and here I have given address,
Hmm.
and here I have given some candidate.
Hmm.
So in this case, the both will be in the still in the same line.
Still, it will be in same line.
It is a inline tag. It
What
is
is that?
a inline tag.
Inline tag. Okay.
It is a inline tag. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's about today. So where we have where we saw like almost like good number of tags and explanation. So you can practice this. So we will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow anyhow we will see like long, long. Tomorrow tomorrow you will be free and free only, you know.
Yes. Tomorrow we can do 2 hours also. I'm fine. More than that, I'm fine. Yeah. At what time you are coming tomorrow?
9 p.m. only.
9 p.m.
The
Okay.
same time we will connect.
Okay. And can you tell me what like important tags we generally mostly used in work in
Everything.
React? Everything. Okay.
Depend upon,
Yeah.
you know, see how can we tell means
Frequently.
You are asking some important questions in some syllabus.
No, like, you know, frequently used tags.
Div tag is frequently used. Div and span.
Div. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I saw, div and span. That's why I was asking about span. What is that?
Yeah. Div and span are regularly used. But according to the requirement, sometimes you may need to go for a para like this.
Yeah. Okay, Krishna. And tomorrow what we are
What
covering?
time? Tomorrow by 9 p.m. we will connect. I will send you this file to you.
Okay, please. Yeah.
I will send you this file to